how you can get a 7 days trial period free on Coursera. Before we start, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. First, just go open up your web browser and search for Coursera. Now, as you can see right here, Coursera's official site, just open it up. And in Coursera's official site, what you'll see is on the first page, you will see the 7-day free trial option. Now, using that, you'll get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses and hands-on projects, and you'll get a job-ready certificate programs also included in your subscription. Now, just tap on Start 7-day free trial. All you need to do is continue with Google, or you can just use your name, email, and password. You can continue with Facebook too, and you can continue with Apple. So that is how you can get the 7 days free trial in Coursera. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, and bye bye. Take care.